Good morning vlog. We are back.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. Well, when you're watching this, it's probably not Sunday, but it is Sunday for us, and I'm so excited.
It's a big deal.
I'm so excited for what's to come.
We're celebrating Vanessa's birthday, a day early, birthday eve.
Yes,
we're currently heading out to Mariners Church to get our Jesus fix for the day. And then...
which we need every day.
Facts. And then we're going to do some brunch. And then we're going to go to the mall. And then eat again.
The mall.
And then... where else are we going?
And a surprise.
Oh, that's right.
Another surprise.
She doesn't know. Comment below what you think it is.
I have no idea what it is. It's an activity.
I'm probably gonna put it in the title, so you guys probably know already.
But I don't.
But yeah, it's a surprise for her. What do you think it is?
I think it's a boat. I really think it's a boat. Like, my mind is set on it. If it's not, then that's a really big surprise because I'm usually not surprised at many things.
Oh shucks.
But
you got it. I'm just kidding. I don't know, or maybe not. Who knows?
Okay, stay tuned. Oh, and then dinner.
Just have to watch the vlog to find out, and then we're gonna grab dinner after.
Yes.
But in the meantime,
it's just getting loud. Bye.
Background, don't leave my room for like a week. Don't wanna go out, but all these moments keep reminding me of.
Just finished with the service at Mariners.
so good.
Really good. Really refreshing.
Your confidence does not lie in yourself, but in your counselor that you can find in the Holy Spirit.
Check it out, their YouTube at Mariners Church.
I don't even think they have a YouTube. Do they?
Yeah, they do. They go live. Anywho,
yeah,
that was great. We're in the one in Newport Beach. We love this church. It's so grand. And now we're on the way to brunch at the Farmhouse at Rodger.
Yep, 7 minutes. Kind of hungry.
I overcomplicate, I underestimate how easy it is to live like this. Feel better if I take my time, just a second and I'll be alright. I know that there's a love that gon' find me. There's something about that feeling.
So we're out here at Farmhouse at Rodger's Garden. It's a beautiful place. They placed us right next to this fountain. Very secluded, super nice. He started off with...
We have rosemary crisps with what?
White bean.
Yeah, so good. I enjoy that.
And
we have a mocktail.
No alcohol.
Pineapple coconut with a little bit of lime.
Cantaloupe.
Oh, cantaloupe?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a pineapple.
And mint. You got it completely wrong.
Yeah, what he said.
Yeah.
And then, hey, what is this?
And then I got the trusty lemonade.
Yeah, we love the atmosphere of this place. It's very calm and enjoyable to have the perfect brunch here.
Yeah.
We ordered the shrimp, scallop, and mussel linguine, and the cod.
I got the Icelandic cod.
Yeah.
And then our waiter was super pumped that we ordered good things on the menu, so we have high expectations.
Yeah.
But we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed this place lives up to the hype. Cheers, happy birthday.
Thank you.
This is insane. So this is the cod. This is her
My
seafood.
shrimp, mussel, scallop, linguine.
Look at the size of those scallops.
This looks absolutely...
It smells delicious.
Look at that mussel.
First birthday dessert.
Yay, wait, what is it?
I don't know. Try the hot part.
Oh wait, do I make a wish?
No.
I pray that Miles
You can't.
gets 1,000 subscribers.
She wished. Oh, but she wished it, so it's not
No,
gonna happen.
I said I pray.
Oh.
Okay.
Road to 1,000 subscribers starts now. Okay, try it.
Wait, I just got whipped cream. What is it?
I don't know. It's like pudding.
Oh.
Something about that feeling. I sun dancing with the storm clouds, but inside there's not a dry eye in this whole house. And it ain't sad.
It's pretty cool. The ambiance really carried it. I don't think I'd go back here for simply the food, but they do change their menu
every 2 months.
Yeah, which is really good.
Yeah, so you can keep coming and trying out new stuff, which I think is really, really good.
But the ambiance, like the music and the service was amazing. And then it's located like in a garden where they sell like a whole bunch of different kinds of flowers and stuff like that. It's really nice, a really great experience. I'd go here again. Yeah. 10 out of 10 experience in my opinion. I'd say 8 or 9, simply just because the food wasn't like. Yeah. It was good. It was solid, but it wasn't like wow. Yeah, but experience-wise, it was great. Yeah, definitely would remember. I'm very thankful. Atmosphere. Yeah. But yeah, now we're off to Irvine Spectrum to just kill some time. Walk around. And digest. Probably make my wallet thinner. But make those credit card points fatter. True. But yeah, so we're heading there, and then. Well, Irvine Spectrum first, then South Coast Plaza. And then in between then, I'm going to reveal what we're going to do later. To get her reaction. And also because she probably needs to process it a bit. I underestimate, but I know that there's a love that gon' find me. There's something about that feeling. Just finished at Irvine Spectrum. It was successful. Yes. What'd you get? Lulu and Garaje. We are now at South Coast. We're about to go try and get a table at Paradise Dynasty. We're gonna have some sholombao. But before that, our big reveal. What do you think? What do you think we're doing later? I think it's a boat. But then I was like, I don't want anything that's gonna make me nauseous. And you're like, oh no, it's not. But I have Dramamine. But because of that, because if we're going like 100 miles per hour on a boat, like that's gonna make me nauseous. It's a flying boat. So I think it's a helicopter ride with no doors. Interesting. Am I right? Interesting. No, you're not right. Oh, what is it? Oh my gosh, we're actually going on a flying boat. What? A flying boat. Wait, is that a joke? No. What the heck? Just kidding. Dude. We're going on a helicopter. I knew it. But yeah, so after South Coast, we're gonna go to Fullerton. Wait, what the heck? Where? And we're gonna go fly. On a flying boat, you got me. Yeah, no, and then we're gonna go to Hangar 21 heli, and then we're gonna jump off. No. I'm just kidding. I don't want to do that. But yeah, we're at South Coast, so we're gonna finish shopping. Wait! And then go eat. I knew it! Wait! What? Yeah. It's Wait, now I'm like scared. I'm scared of heights. Oh. Am I like strapped? Yeah, you're gonna be like seatbelts in. I'm not gonna fall, am I? Well, just try not to fall. What if my shoe falls off? Then you're gonna only have one shoe. Then I would need to buy new shoes. Okay, bye. There's something about that feeling. 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 We just finished at Paradise Dynasty. We had a little meal. We just had xiaolongbao and pork fried rice, which is still really good. We decided a small meal because we're about to ride golf carts. Oh wait, behind it, that. Yeah. We're here now. We're at Hangar 21. Yes, shout out to them. In Fullerton. Nolan was amazing, briefing us on everything. Yes. We weren't really nervous going into it though. Well, she was, but I wasn't. We're excited. Yeah, we'll see you up in the air. Say what?
what I wanted, but it's all I needed. I've been on that hard shit and it's going down easy. At least I'll be honest by the time that you see me. Yeah, came here with nothing, but I'm looking for something. Little Southern bell to ring whenever I want it. I'm somewhere in the middle if you're trying to meet me. Just link up, go bar hopping. We can start down the road, let the liquor take full control. Bar hopping, downtown thrills, chasing something that we both let go. Let's go back to where we last kissed. Wishing that we lasted. And I know we don't feel the same. Go slow, babe, don't rush to the airport. Pour one on that bar top, 'cause I don't wanna feel a thing anyways. Hey, yeah. Tell that to the girl that I used to know. She got whiskey on her breath and she killing me. Red lips on the glass and some heels to match. How you running around town straight curving me, doing shit for someone else that you learned from me. Bar hopping, we can start down the road, let the liquor take.
I can't deny you got me falling for you. Terrified, but gotta tell you the truth. Don't feel anxiety when you're with me. Clearly you're the only one. Oh, I finally got a reason to be loved. Same old, we might just mess it up, but girl, with you I'm making sure that I don't. Ain't going through it again. Tell me when. Thank the universe for saving you for me. I learned my lessons for you, baby. I'll be the best one for you, baby. Gonna do it again. I don't want another one. Ain't going through it again. The stars align, they got me thinking.
I shouldn't look so far away. I shouldn't look so far and turn the other way. I should be the one to come right out and say, every day I need you, there is no other way. Even when you're close I miss you, how else can I convey? I'm not sorry that we left all we had and we started brand new. I still want you. Out of money, but when I have the world I will give it to you. I still want you. Who would have known it'd come to be? Who would have known but God, you'd be the one with me. Even when we are against the odds, I say, every day I need you, there is no other way. Even when you're close I miss you, how else can I convey? I'm not sorry that we left all we had and we started brand new. I still want you. Out of money, but when I have the world I will give it to you.
Whoa.
Oh, wow! Oh my
I
gosh,
still
that
feel
was
like
insane.
the thrill is in me.
Yeah,
We just finished the helicopter ride.
it was actually the most
It
beautiful.
was, yeah. It was
thing I've
better
ever
than a
done.
plane because you got it all to yourself. And there's one point where we're like so close to the water.
Yeah.
That was so cool.
And then he'd make these like sudden turns.
Turns and you're like at 90 degrees.
Yeah, it was insane. And
Your
the
side.
skyscrapers too. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, that was such an
I
experience.
think my favorite part was the ocean.
Really?
Yeah.
Mine was a Hollywood sign.
Oh yeah.
Like, we were
so close.
Yeah, it was insane.
Everything looked tiny. Like
Yeah, even the skyscrapers in LA.
one thing that I got from this is while we are so overpopulated, too, is I didn't know that many people had that many
Pools.
swimming pools
Yeah,
in
there's
their
so many.
backyard. So that was cool. And I also felt like I didn't see any people like walking.
True. And then every house in PV looks exactly the same.
And the houses got bigger in Malibu.
Yeah. But that was such an experience.
It felt like 15 minutes. Like we just made
really
one big circle. I think the location is great because you just go beach city. Yeah,
There's
check
like
out
literally everything.
Check out Hangar 21. I
Yes.
highly suggest. Probably would go back trying the doors off.
But yeah, shout out to Nolan, shout out to Hangar 21. Thank you for making this experience so great.
Highly recommend.
Yep.
It was a great first time. I felt very safe and comfortable. Very comfortable.
And then we had these cool like headphones that we were like talking into. Felt like we were in Top Gun. Oh my gosh.
Now we're heading to the ranch, a restaurant.
Guess what?
Dinner.
More eating. Just I'm kind of full.
Really?
Yeah.
I was hungry in the helicopter.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Anyways, we'll see you at dinner.
Not sorry that we left all we had when we started. I still want you out of money. But when I have the world, I will give it to you. I still want you. Lovely. All I ever wanted, I would give up for you. You're what
Yes, happy birthday to me. Take my video.
Oh, yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Okay, let me make a wish.
Yep, tell us your wish. Get traveling to Miles.
3,000 subs.
Traveling with Miles. Ooh, traveling with Miles.
Thank you.
Make it bigger, 5K.
5K.
Let's go.
Pecan pie.
What a day.
What a day.
We both look like we're ready to sleep. Hope you enjoyed all that content. Wish this girl a happy birthday. I'm gonna try and get it out on her birthday. So comment down below, happy birthday, Miles.
In 7 minutes.
Just kidding. Happy birthday, Vanessa. And fulfill her birthday wish and get me to, how much was it? 5,000 subscribers.
Yes.
Which I believe we can do by the end of this day. August 8th, 2022. 5K.
Oops, I looked down.
Like, comment, subscribe. Wish this girl a happy birthday.
Thank you.
Also, to all of you who wrote letters to her,
thank you. I cried like a baby.
happy birthday, Vanessa. You have been
you.
such a blessing to everyone. From Traveling with Miles and all of the subscribers, we want to grant you your birthday wish. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's too late. Good night.
Good night. I hope you enjoyed the video.